So this is soap, automatic soap solution with the foot operated hand wash machine. So this is for two combined model. This is for soap oil tank, 2 liter tank. This is solenoid one, 2x2 solenoid one. This is IR sensor. This is battery. This is IR sensor is powered by the battery. Then this is the foot lever mechanism. First of all, you have to put the hand here. Start here. It will be 1 minute. You have to open first of all the wall here. Then you have to send the sensing means soap oil is coming. First of all soap oil. After soap oil is over, then you have to brush the pedal. Then it is coming the normal water. So this is the concept. First you have to put the hand there. How much time you have to put in the gun depending upon the soap oil you want, quantity. If you want more quantity means you have to put the hand by more time. Little bit is enough means you have to put the rest. So that's why the sensor is sensed by the hand. So that time the valve is open. The valve is open time the water is soap oil is coming from here to here. Then this is pedal operated mechanism. This is the gate valve, opening the gate valve. This is the connected to the overhead tank. The frame model made up of mild distance frame. The battery 12 volt to 7 ampere. That is rechargeable battery. Once you are recharging it, it will work on 1 hour to 2 hours. After you will recharge it by giving the battery stop. So this is the concept of automatic soap oil and foot operated hand wash mechanism.